For this project, you're going to need a pencil, scissors, glue stick, paper clips, half-inch and inch-wide strips of black paper, tissue paper, a transparency sheet, and a piece of white copy paper. First, you're going to write your name on your paper and begin sketching a simple radial flower design. Start in the center and work your way out, repeating the shapes to make a radial pattern. Remember to keep your design simple. Next, you're going to paper clip your transparency over your sketch. One method is to trace the shapes onto the tissue paper and then cut them out. You want to apply glue onto the transparency, not onto the tissue paper, and then rub gently to attach. Another method is to tear tissue paper pieces and arrange them to fill in the shapes. The tissue paper pieces can overlap. Make sure to apply glue wherever the tissue paper will be placed. Continue filling in the shape by tearing or cutting pieces and overlapping the tissue paper. Continue to work on filling in the entire flower design with tissue paper. Here's what my radial flower design looks like, completely filled in with tissue collage. Next, you're going to choose a color for your background and work on filling in the background space using the same methods that you used on the flower. You can trace and cut out, or you can tear pieces of tissue paper and fit them in. You also have the option to leave some of the areas in the background clear. Or you can work on filling up all of the area around the flower, filling the whole entire space in the background. Once you're done adding color with the tissue paper, you're going to use the thinner half-inch black strips to create the lines around each space in your picture. You're going to want to follow those lines from your original sketch, tracing around each shape with the collage lines. This is going to make it really look like a stained glass window. You also have an option to make your lines a little bit more organic by cutting curves in your lines, or you can leave it more straight lines and make your stained glass look more geometric. You're going to want to just continue on in this manner until you've gone around all of your shapes from your original drawing. Once you've gone around all of your shapes and added your details, you're going to remove that paper or that sketch from underneath, and you're going to create a border by gluing the larger inch-wide black strips around the edge of your stained glass window. You may need to use scissors to trim off some of the longer pieces, but it's going to create a nice clean border around the edge of your stained glass window and make your piece look finished. Lastly, use a pencil to write your name on the back on the border.